Here I'm going to show you how to gain access to this ideal standard flush plate. To identify it as ideal standard, you just look at the toilet and it's ideal standard, and 80% of the time, 90% of the time, the flush plate matches the toilet. So with an ideal standard, you've just got to feel around to make sure it moves, and as you can see, it moves this way. So you're going to push from the left and then lift off from the right. So give it a push, and it will lift and come away. And this one is an ideal standard. Even though there's no markings, it is ideal standard. And from there, you can then get inside to the system and all the parts you need. Now with the flash on, you can see inside. There's some isolation valves down there, and you can get to all the parts inside. And that is how you get inside an ideal standard toilet. If this video has been any good to you, then make sure you like and subscribe for more plumbing content. But for now, have a good day.